The Philippine Sea Plate is the fastest moving plate on Earth, and new data shows it is moving faster than ever. Imagine a giant slab of rock, hundreds of kilometers wide, sliding under the Philippines at up to 8 centimeters per year. That is faster than your hair grows. But instead of your head, it is the entire ground beneath you. This motion is not just a number on a map. It is the reason the Philippines has so many earthquakes, volcanoes, and dangerous coastlines. In this video, we will find out why this plate is speeding up, and what that means for the islands above it. The Philippine Sea Plate is a huge piece of the Earth's crust. It sits mostly under the ocean, to the east and south of the Philippines. On one side, it pushes against the Eurasian Plate, which includes most of Asia. On the other side, it dives under nearby islands in the Pacific. This constant pushing and sliding creates huge stress in the ground. When that stress breaks, it causes earthquakes. When it melts deep below, it creates volcanoes. So the Philippine Sea Plate is not just a name in a textbook. It is the engine behind much of the geology of the Philippines. Scientists measure plate motion in millimeters or centimeters per year. That is very slow, but it never stops. The Philippine Sea Plate moves at about 80 millimeters per year relative to the Eurasian Plate. That is roughly 8 centimeters every year. To put that in perspective, in 10 years, it moves almost the length of a full ruler. In 100 years, it moves almost 8 meters. And over millions of years, it changes the shape of entire islands. But the big question is it still moving at the same speed, or is it changing? For a very long time, this plate moved much faster than today. Geological models suggest that most of its major northward shift happened over a long period of ancient time. Then the motion slowed down significantly. But now, recent studies suggest the speed may be increasing again. New data from GPS stations, deep ocean measurements, and computer models show small but clear changes in motion. Some scientists believe the plate is being pushed more strongly by surrounding forces. Others think the edges of the plate are changing shape, which can change how it moves. This is not just ancient history. It is happening right now, under our feet. Why should ordinary Filipinos care about this plate? Because where plates meet, danger grows. The collisions and slides create deep earthquakes that can shake entire cities, volcanoes that can erupt and send ash far away, coastal areas that may be at risk of stronger events in the future. If the plate speeds up, the stress on nearby faults may also increase. That does not mean disasters will happen tomorrow, but it does mean the long-term risk may change. For engineers, planners, and families, this is critical information. It helps them decide where to build, how to design, and how to prepare. If the Philippine Sea Plate continues to speed up, several things could happen over the next decades and centuries. Fault lines near the plate boundary may become more active. Some areas may experience more frequent earthquakes. Volcanoes near the edge may show more signs of movement. But remember, plates do not decide the future. They only change the probability. Many other factors, like local geology and building quality, also matter. The goal is not fear. The goal is awareness. Knowing the risk helps us prepare, not panic.
The ground beneath the Philippines is not still. It is part of one of the fastest, most active plates on Earth. If this plate keeps moving faster, the story of the islands may change. More quakes, more volcanic activity, more challenges for cities and families. But with knowledge, we can build stronger homes, safer cities, and better plans. If you want to understand more forces that shape our islands, subscribe to Beneath the Archipelago. Hit the subscribe button and join us next time as we go deeper beneath the surface of the Philippines.